Everyone was surprised. How? So can you guess what did the Rohans family use to light their house? Do you know? Okay, well done. So they used solar energy, and today's topic is solar energy. So what is this? Sun. So what does sun give us? Sunlight, heat. So the energy we get from sun in form of heat and light is solar energy. So now we will study the applications of solar energy. So first we will study how panel works. How वो एनर्जी कैसे मिलती है सोलर पैनल की हेल्प से. So now see here as a plate on the roof of the house. This plate is solar panel. It has tiny cells. So when the sunlight falls, these cells they grab sunlight and convert it into electricity, and the electricity is produced, as you can see here. So that was the reason only the Romans house had light. Other people they did not have light because they used solar energy with the panel. So now look here. Suppose this is the sun here. And this is the panel. So when the sunlight falls, these cells they trap sunlight and convert it into electricity. So now you tell me where do you observe the sunlight being used in daily life? कहाँ ये sunlight कहाँ यूज होती है रोज के बताओ? Yes, good. Any other?
Because they make their food depends on sunlight.
Yes. Any other? Good. So now next application, which is cooking. So if we place a white and black paper in sunlight, then which one will become more hotter? Black paper. So now look here. You see, this is a solar cooker. It's also of black color. It has a mirror. So when the sunlight falls, this mirror it traps sunlight. And due to its black color, the cooker it gets hot. As you can see, the food is cooked here. The second application is cooking. What solar cooker use? Mirror to trap sunlight. Mirror to trap sunlight. So how do you feel water gets hot. The next application is heating. So the Romans family, they use solar cooker, solar water heater and panel on their house. Now what is irrigation? पता है किसी को? Okay. So it is the process of supplying water to the crops with the artificial means. और हम पढ़ेंगे यहाँ पे कि solar irrigation क्या है. So as you can see here, there is a panel on the field. So like the Romans family, they have panel on their house. Similarly, they have panel on their field also. So when the sunlight falls, this panel it traps the sunlight, and then this electricity is produced with this light. It lifts the water from the well. As you can see here, the motor it lifts the water from well, and on the high level it also lifts water from rivers and underground sources also. So with the help of motor, the irrigation is done. So the Roman family, they also use a solar irrigation technique. As you can see, this is a view of a city. So Roman, he went to the city with his father. There he saw mall full of electric vehicles being charged with the solar energy. He saw offices, many buildings using solar energy with the panel of panel. As you can see here, this is the solar charging station. It also has a panel. So when the sunlight falls, this cells they trap sunlight, and this with the electricity is produced. With electricity, the car is charged here. As you can